Usually park by the Villa Comunale, which leads you by foot to Porta Reale, and it's the symbolic entrance to Noto, built 1838 and was restored 2014. And this porta has three main symbols: the tower for strength, a dog for fidelity, a pelican for generosity. The Cathedral of Noto is surely a sight for the eye, and construction started 1694 and was finished 1703, built in Sicilian Baroque style, but has been restored several times due to 1. An earthquake December 1990 for structural damages, and most devastating was in March 1996 when the dome or cupola crashed down due to the malconstruction and devastated most of the central part. Luckily, it happened late in the evening, so therefore there were no victims. Palazzo Ducesio, it's also Noto's municipality, built 1760. It markets a mirror sala, but I didn't go in. Municipal theatre was not open, but it's a must visit if here, because it was built for the noble. Chiesa di San Carlo al Corso is built 1730 in Sicilian Baroque style, of course, and well worth the couple of euros to climb up to the roof for a magnificent view over Noto. So I leave you now with the rest of the photos to enjoy Noto.